South Africa, Herschel Gibbs. India is Yuvraj Singh. West Indies, which player?
These are 6 sixes, huh?
I can't tell anything.
South Africa, West. These are 6 sixes. Not Dwayne Brown, not Jason Holt. Has Chris Gayle it? Pollard.
Which one? Final?
Pollard. DB.
Nice one. Nice one. Good. Quickly you got it. Herschel Gibbs was the first person.
Herschel Gibbs. If you get Gibbs, it's only one answer. 6 sixes.
Yeah, he was the first person. These are all international. In international matches, they have gotten 6 sixes.
But
Nice
Jason Holder option, the worst guy, doesn't hit 6 1.
Sorry for putting him there.
No. I'm just complaining about them.
So PNJ gets an extra turn.
Extra turn. 4. You're here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Religion or movies?
Movies, bro. What the heck is it?
Movies. Which cities does Rani visit when she goes on her solo honeymoon in Queen? Queen
I
is the
don't
movie.
know. My mom will know this, but Paris is one of that. And let's eliminate the other one. Okay. Paris and London. Option A.
Option A.
I think Amsterdam, but wait, give me a second.
8 seconds. 7, 6.
C. Let's see.
Wow. For
Yay,
last
I
moment,
was
change
so
it.
That song is there, no?
Yeah, it is London to Magda. Yeah, I know. That is why I put
Yeah.
London.
Oh shit!
No, I think
That was the confusing part.
Big question.
How did you change? Like, why did you change the last?
because I remember her being drunk or high or something. I think that's why.
Hmm.
Okay, PNJ's answered 3 correct in the second level.
He needs one more though.
Yeah.
Nice. The people who were behind took the lead.
Yeah, Sinjana's turn is skipped.
Oh, damn sad. DBK.
And I'm
You
clearing-
don't sound sad.
Russians
Why
and
was that?
zero.
Huh?
So it's DPK's turn now.
I think DPK. is
Sports
leading
or sports. You will go bottom.
this. Bottom one. Yeah. Specifically, he'll request me.
How many questions has DPK got right, Pragya? Level 2.
2,
DPK has gotten 3.
3. Sorry.
Oh, one more question
One
right and
more.
you can move on.
Easily.
What's not my field, bro? Sorry.
RCB baller question then asked me. Who took most wickets? RCB. 20.
Do some Olympics.
Identify the color of the flag in this scenario. This is the
Oh,
flag.
I know this.
Oh, yeah.
What color flag will they wave in this situation?
Sinchana, whatever thinking, it's not the right answer.
So DPK, do you understand what has happened here?
Yeah. Some crash has happened. Then they wave some flag.
Which?
Red and white. Okay, red.
Red is the
Red.
wrong answer. Anyone knows the answer? Does anyone else know the answer? Red is not the right answer.
What? Red is the answer. It's not
Red
blue
is-
flag. It's red.
No, it's
These
not
are
red
not
or
the
blue.
colors.
Yeah, these are not the colors.
No. Wait. There is blue flag for overtaking. Red flag is if there is a crash. The red flag. It's red.
it
Red is correct.
pink?
Yeah.
Red is not the right answer.
What is the answer?
Is it
Yellow is
pink?
the
I don't
answer.
know.
Yellow is not the answer. Red is the answer. The red flag would have also come, but they'll tell yellow flag because the other driver should know there's a car there. Yeah.
Right.
Blue flag is not the answer.
So, but he got it right, no? So, do you want to give him the point, or do you want him to take another question?
I'll give another question.
DPK, thank me later, bro. Or thank me now.
Number of players in a hockey team.
Oh.
DPK.
Yeah. Thinking. As if I can think like what?
Think all the players. Name all the
Hey,
players.
why is your
Hey,
video
who
off?
all
Turn it
are
on.
Chakdei?
Preet is scared he's cheating.
Yeah.
Video is not off, it's on.
Oh, okay.
DPK will never
Oh,
cheat.
12.
12 was the wrong answer though.
11, no?
Yeah.
Should have.
Either mine or my blue.
Religion or religion?
Oh my god. I
I
can't get negative points. No. Okay.
Yeah, you can't get negative.
That rule came in place because of me. So you can
Thank you. Thank you, Pete. I owe
And
you
now he is at
everything.
90. Look at that.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah.
Has Rasya gotten religion right, Pragna, till now?
Yeah, she has gotten.
Oh, this would be extra.
Not in this level though.
Hey,
Huh?
she's in level 2 means I'll ask level 2 now. What is that?
You asked if she's ever gotten religion.
Why will I ask that? Level
Because
2.
it's my
Just-
life.
Just a trivia. That is separate trivia.
General knowledge.
Next.
How many has she answered? 2.
She's
Yeah, I
answered
got
level 2, she hasn't answered anything.
Okay, 2
Okay.
minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
All my questions have been some
Yeah.
questions.
Mm.
What does Bismillah mean?
Are there
Bismillah.
options?
Options
Okay.
are there.
Okay, this.
In the name of God, to surrender to God in the fame. These are too close. To submit to God.
No, their meanings mean different only. Only the words are rhyming here. That too, only 2 options.
Hey.
God,
Better
in the
think.
name- Surrender to God or in the name of God? To surrender to God. Oh.
Mostly, let me tell.
In the
Hey, tell
name of
fast.
God. In the name of God.
Okay.
Good.
Extra turn.
Extra turn. Yeah.
Nice
So
one.
20
Ah.
points.
3-1 coming back.
4, 3, 4. Sports or
Or? Bro.
Sports.
Okay. Yeah, whichever.
Bottom.
hey,
Bottom,
too
please.
crowded.
Bottom, please.
No, bottom.
Okay. Start from the bottom. Now we're here.
Hey, how many minutes remaining in the meeting?
Less than a
Less
minute.
than a minute.
Oh, tell
Yeah.
fast.
Okay, fast.
What? No.
Less than a minute.
No.
Two picks,
Fast,
one
huh?
word. Bowling ball. Bowling ball? Huh?
It's a religion, no? What?
Sports this is.
She has 230.
230.
Hey, yeah,
You have
by
220.
mistake, by mistake. When this hits 200, I will stop. Tell fast.
Rasa, you go walk.
Bowling
Go for a
ball,
walk.
no. What?
Huh?
2 picks, 1 word.
These
Oh,
two
okay.
pictures relate to one word. Which is that word?
Okay. Baseball and bowling.
Yep. I still give you 20 seconds.
Come on, Rasya. You can do it.
You guys know this, sir.
Yeah. You can
Yeah,
do it.
it's so easy. You can just see and tell.
What? No.
Just think 10 seconds. Common terms
Give her a
in
hint.
bowling and baseball.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What?
Time is up, but okay. Just
Pin,
forget it.
pin. Is pin no thing in baseball? I don't know.
Okay,
Stump?
anyone else knows the answer?
Strike.
Correct. Yeah. She got it.
Russia got it wrong already. So,
Right.
like, it was
Why
It was
did
an
I
easy
get it wrong?
because
No,
your time
you
was
ran
up
out of time.
already. 30 seconds, ke badle, like I already gave 40.
But that's not. Please, dude, I'm losing.
New question,
I
please.
can't.
She was under stress.
Free.
Huh?
I was freaking out.
Effort.
What?
She was under stress.
A
Come
lot of
on.
effort.
Yeah.
No. What? That was
No,
not.
but we got it, no, with so much effort.
No,
It's
no,
okay.
too late. Sorry. Not
Just
happening.
give her a different
Okay,
question.
give her partial points at least.
Not
Yeah,
happening.
just give me like 10 points.
Yeah,
Yeah,
partial.
give her 10.
Anyone?
Don't
But
You guys are telling this now. Later, you guys are not going to get extra time. I'm telling you now itself.
Okay.
No
Never.
tell.
Give her 10.
No tell.
Yeah, give her 10.
Give her time.
Give her
Thank
some.
Give her 10. Give
I've
her.
given 10 out of 20.
Give her. But does that count as one answer or not?
No, it does not.
What will she do with point? She doesn't care about point.
That does not count as an answer. That I can't give.
I'm giving it to her as an answer.
No, you're not.
Why not? She
No,
got
no,
it
no.
right.
That was too late.
Dude,
After 40
actually-
seconds, she got. No, it's too late.
In between, there was so much chaos and all.
That
It's
is why
okay,
10
Lisa.
seconds
Yeah.
extra. No, not
Last
happening.
you are going to win anyway. Lee. Why?
Yeah,
why
this, yeah.
Meghna
Okay,
got 2. Science or what is fourth? Geography.
Science.
Starting.
Oh, wait.
What is the chemical
just an
element
answer.
for the symbol SN?
Tin.
Right.
Nice.
Legend.
She gets
3.
one more turn.
One more turn.
3 is 1, 2, 3. Geography or
Oh, I can't go out.
sports.
Geography or sports. Geography.
Match the following.
Oh God.
Are you
I
able to
can't
read?
see.
Bandipur, Gir, Manas and
Gir is in Gujarat. So B is 1. So, oh God. Bandipur is 4 or 2. Bandipur is 4 or 2. 4. A4, B1. B.
Option B.
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Woo.
He advances, no?
She advances.
Yeah.
Weren't you the last person to come to level 2?
Yeah.
And
Legend,
first person to.
legend.
Amazing. That day she got 4 questions right here. Too good.
Yeah, she got 4 right.
And she's leading also now. Yoppa.
Movies or sports, huh?
Yeah.
You don't have. You've already answered in both movies and sports.
Yeah, I just have to get one more right now.
London to Africa. Remember we danced for Russia's. Not I just waiting.
70 minutes.
Just waiting.
70 minutes.
Tell among these
70.
options. What is, huh?
70 minutes.
Tell which option.
70.
Okay. I was just checking if you know the translation from 70 to 70.
So I get to go in now.
Yeah.
Bottom. Essentially.
Okay. Sinchan has. Here
Oh,
you
he
can't
got
go,
it?
So 2. Yeah, with PNG got it.
Mhm.
So yeah, Sinchan has no option but religion. Is she there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, actually, Sinchan is the only one who's not coming up in this video.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's good.
Because
Great.
no, now you are. Okay. Christianity is followed by about 2% of India's population. Which state of India accounts for most of it?
I think it's Goa.
Confirmed?
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
Mizoram.
Actually,
It's Kerala.
What do you mean actually? Even I thought earlier it was Kerala, but
Yeah, even I thought. Kerala.
Mizoram.
yeah, even I thought it was Kerala.
Oh.
Even I thought.
Trick question.
Anyone else? Anyone else remaining?
Pragya, did you think that was?
2-3 people more will join.
I
it.
only gave this question.
Wow.
But did you think originally it was Kerala?
Yeah, I did think it was Kerala originally.
Okay, the answer is Kerala then.
Yeah.
So I'm still wrong.
Majority wins.
Nope.
Oh, really?
You,
Over.
yeah, religion
over.
level 1 and level 2 both are done. So you won't be able to answer religion questions now.
Nice.
Russia.
DPK.
What are my options?
1, 2, 3. Religion you can't. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Movies.
Die Hard Part 2. Get ready.
In Die Hard 2, which city?
In Nagasaki.
Sort the Bourne movie series in the right order. Supremacy, Legacy, Ultimatum, Identity.
Oh my god.
Do you know these movies? The Bourne series.
Yeah. I know, man. I know a lot of movies.
Oh,
Okay. Sorry.
trekking and movies.
Choose one.
B. Oh, close,
4-1.
close enough.
Okay, okay.
Damn close.
Yeah,
you know.
because of this, the word ultimatum, you feel that it is the last one, but
Yeah.
it isn't.
Yeah, that's the one.
Deepak,
That's
next one will
the
be skipped.
that's the reason, huh? DPK.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Yeah, actually, that was the thing here.
I would have known.
Okay,
Alright.
Deepak, next turn will be skipped.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll go trek and come back.
That's it.
Oh, I also have to.
Same.
Yeah.
Again, same one ultimatum.
No, just one from each series.
Answer one.
Same mistake. Huh?
Which one is not a Tigram from Chichore?
Yeah, I've not seen Chichore.
You've not watched Chichore?
I've not seen it.
You'll have to guess then.
घर का, I don't know. Go for yellow.
Favorite color.
Okay, does anyone else know the answer?
I don't know.
I think it's D, not sure.
Anyone else? Okay, I'll just go for him.
Oh,
Hmm?
घर का भेड़ी.
Go watch
Lanka Dhai.
Ghar Ka Bhedi.
What is Tikram?
Yeah, what is the catchphrase?
You can Tigram is so in that movie because their team is not good enough. They apply some tricks to win against the other teams.
Oh.
So your pressure cooker is they just put pressure on the opponent team.
Deepak would have got
Shadi
it,
Mein
right?
Abdullah Diwana is whether their team is playing or not, they try to make one of the teams lose, which is in the lead.
Okay.
Atike Tat is they get a chef and they make him act like he's the coach, so that other team thinks that okay, they are well prepared.
Okay.
Exactly like how Meghna posed with textbooks and all that to show you guys that he was preparing well.
Nice. Good analogy.
Thank
I've
you.
understood, sir.
What
Oh,
are the
is this
rules
the
for
first level 3 question? Yeah, do
Yeah, it's the first level 3 question. It's either movies or science.
No, wait, what are the rules
Science.
here? Like, how many do you have to get right?
Here you need to get one.
Or
One is
only one right to go inside.
maximum?
Yeah. Maximum, I have forgotten. Maximum is 3.
Okay.
How does it
and,
make sense? If you get one, you can. Okay, black. Never mind.
You can't get kicked out of this thing, no? Final stage.
Yeah, from here you can't get demoted, the 4th level. From 3, yeah, you can.
No. Yeah, continue.
I see your plan.
Mm.
Yeah, you have to choose.
Science. Science.
Okay. This is
60
also 30
seconds.
seconds. 30
Yeah.
seconds. What keeps the water inside a spinning bucket from dropping?
Oh.
Name the physics concept.
Centrifugal force or centripetal force. Not those.
You have to tell one.
Centripetal.
Sure.
No. Okay. Okay, you have 1 minute.
It could have been right. I don't know. You just need to confirm.
Centrifugal is inside, centripetal is outside, and that's why it doesn't come inside. I think I'll go with petal. I'm not sure.
No, actually, I clicked on blue, but I should have clicked on red. It is neither. The answer is
Neither.
inertia.
Inertia.
The
Inertia.
answer is
Hmm.
inertia because at any point of time, the water will try to move perpendicular to the circle. So it is actually moving left. So if it's on the top and if you're spinning counterclockwise, it will try to move left. So it is hitting the bucket on the left wall, but that bucket is stopping it from just pouring outside. So it is
Yeah,
not
why is it going
centripetal.
perpendicular? Because of centripetal force.
It does not. No, centripetal is up, centrifugal is down, or the other way. But inertia is the one that is making it go left to make it continue in the same direction. So you have
I
learned
don't
something
decide.
new today.
Interesting.
Come.
Topic was what? Science,
Hey.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She'll.
Hey,
Oh, she gets
come
a
on,
minus
man.
10.
Yeah.
It
Come
should have
on,
been
I
FP
can't
minus
go.
13.
God, I won't forget this. Yeah.
3.
I should have picked the bottom, bro. No options, only.
It's geography. Oops.
Oh, or movies, right?
No, geography or geography. Oh yeah, it is geography or
movies, yeah.
sports. Is it?
Sports.
Yeah,
Oh,
sports. Which do you want to go for?
Let's go with sports, man. Olympics means God. I'm telling you. Apart from Neeraj Chopra, all out. Let's hope it's Neeraj Chopra.
Surely. I didn't give Neeraj Chopra for level 1. I'll give
You
it
know
for
the
50.
distance at least.
91.
Is
What
it
is
right?
it?
I won't.
It's 87 point something.
Okay, but your actual question is starting now.
I have a minute, no? I have a minute.
No, actually, it was supposed to be 30 seconds. I don't know why.
No, it's okay.
Olympics, of course, has to be Olympics.
Who was the first Indian, first Indian woman to get an Olympic medal?
I have no clue actually. Sania Mirza hasn't won, I think. Or has she? PT Usha? I'll go with PT Usha.
Sure.
This is the issue, yeah, PT Usha. But
It will always be something I've never heard of from Karanam Malesh, for example.
but
Dude, she's
No,
the
that is not true.
weightlifting
You
lady,
had gotten,
no?
yeah.
They would have
she's
won.
weightlifting.
The medal,
she won't
right?
be. Who?
I think PT
PT
Usha also won,
the
but
medal.
Karna Maleshwari was the first one. In weight.
PT.
Who's
Sinchana.
the
How many negatives does Sinchana have?
1.
Okay. Sure. So either science or movies.
Movie.
Name the movie from this
Oh
poster.
no. Oh, that's Shawshank Redemption.
Confirm?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Nice one. Nice. You also get an extra turn now.
Oh Yeah, yeah. it's a
Oh,
turn.
yeah.
Okay, so movies is done. 9 questions. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Movies 1, 2, 3, 4. It is geography for you.
I'm changing that.
What is the area called where a river meets the sea or ocean?
Ah. I don't know. I think it's estuary. I don't know. But pick that.
Okay, so give me one confirmed answer.
Yes.
He's already confirmed.
I said
Correct.
Okay. I was just waiting for her to shift the answer.
Yay!
Yeah, this Preet has to be intimidating, no?
yeah, he's very
Yeah.
scary.
Scary. I just asked if you have confirmed or not. That's it. You had time.
No, I'm kidding.
Sinchana has answered 3 unique questions in level 2.
Oh, nice.
2 were enough for her to jump to the next level. No?
Yeah. 2 were enough. But 2 were enough.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No,
Last
three.
round she would have come. No, 2 are enough.
No, but she has to go to black for that.
She was.
She could have
got
gone.
one.
I was going.
Yeah, I was about to
Wait.
point it out, and then I was like, "Oh, 2. She doesn't have 2 unique
That's
ones."
damn me.
No, she
Yeah.
did have.
Oh, then.
Okay, now promote her.
Yeah, promote
Oops.
me now. What oops?
Yeah, oops.
Black, no?
You should be more
Yeah,
active.
You should tell me. I
What?
forgot.
I didn't know it was 2. I thought it was 3.
But then if I have to
Come on.
promote her, then I have to remove these extra 20
No,
points that I gave her, right?
How about you give that for level 3 one question?
What?
No, that's
Go to
not fair.
level.
I need stuff.
Go to level 4. No, you could have told like I would have guessed.
What? Okay, I just promote. But okay, fine. You have to tell me. If next time you forget.
Sinchana,
it's okay.
come
You
on.
made the game. What is this? Why you're blaming me?
No, rules I have told you to keep track
she would
that
have
you.
she would have still like she wouldn't have figured it out. Like she was okay with it. She was
Yeah,
okay.
BNG, shush.
Thank me. Come on. Next.
Okay, thanks.
Finally.
Okay, DPK.
Yeah, my chance is skipped.
Science or sports. Oh, your chance is skipped.
DPK's chance is skipped.
DPK is damn honest. Like that we should do.
Honestly, checking. Two things I'm so fond of.
Russia,
Okay. Russia 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sports or movies? Movies is done, so we have to go for sports.
Sports. Woohoo.
Pakka something related to water only. It will be.
Choose
Choose
the
the
order.
order.
Sports.
Sports.
Principal.
Yeah, you can choose.
That's Prince Paul.
Prince Pal.
Principal. Hey, I don't know what. Okay. Gopher. Shit. I don't know.
You didn't tell the option. Go for what? 5.
Tell.
4.
Green.
Wow, what?
Ooh.
What? No.
This is some hockey team, huh?
The other 3 are hockey members from this year. The team that won. Principal Singh is a professional basketballer. He's
Oh,
only
okay.
Indian, I
Which
think, who's
level
playing
is
for
Russia
NBA.
in?
She's in level 2.
I cleared my negatives.
I cleared Russia.
You're just clear.
What is that?
Negative.
Passionate appeal.
The
by
moment you
Russia.
give one correct answer, your negatives are clear. Or if your chance is skipped. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. No point.
Oh.
3. Sports.
I got it right. Dude, inertia, dude, it's right. It's sensitive. Okay.
You just want to go to next level. Huh?
What is that? If you're still,
have gone to next
if you're
level.
gonna tell again, I'll give negatives now.
Okay.
See, we didn't give Sinjana a chance to choose whether she wanted to demote or promote.
Oh,
Hey,
So
now
she won't be
what?
voted.
Like new things you're getting now. Yours is sports only, right? Yeah.
Check properly. I can't trust you. Okay.
sports.
If the player's accuracy is 100%, how many points will he score in this play? Look at the basketballer.
DPK.
Come on.
I have no idea about basketball. God. 10? Dude, no options also.
Okay, I'll give you options. 1,
Just
2, 3, 4.
5.3.
Should I go with 3?
3.
It's the wrong answer. So there's no 10 and all possible at only.
I don't know.
So
Okay.
the basketball rules, if you see that huge semicircle that was there, that is the 3-point line. Anything behind that, if you play, so he actually did that. He was behind the 3-point line, so he should have gotten 3 points. But defender from the opposite team, he fouled him that when he was throwing.
Tactical foul.
Yeah, so
Howda.
Sure,
yeah,
sure,
he
sure
attacked
again.
him.
Sure?
I don't think I won't be able to. I don't think I can
Just-
play this again.
He is just interested in that game.
Yeah, so it was a technical foul where he attacked the player like that. So he gets 1 free throw extra because he was able to get that basket. And I told that his accuracy was 100%. So he
Ooh.
got that free throw also. Free throw is one point.
Yeah, trick
Nice.
question.
So in basketball, it is like if he didn't make that throw successfully, then he would have gotten 3 free throws because he was going for a 3-pointer. But since he made it, he got 1 free throw.
Too good, too good.
Okay.
Beauty.
Religion, come on. Oh no.
Actually, religion. Religion and movies.
Movies. Let's go to movies.
There is no Die Hard. Don't worry.
Some other series will show up, like some, I don't know, Fast and Furious.
I'll ask you to say the dialogue now.
It's for family.
No, I've not kept descriptive questions also.
I don't have friends. I have family. Correct, Tom?
Correct.
Let's go.
Hey,
No.
thanks, man. Ian.
Family is stronger.
That's your fourth passionate thing, no?
Yeah.
Come on.
The first 3D animated film from India is
Chota Chetan actually, no? But
animated.
really animated. I want to go with option A. Outside.
You're not going with religion, Hanuman and Bal Ganesh. It is actually the correct
Oh
answer.
my god.
Yeah, I think I kind
Yeah.
of knew that. I knew that.
This is the
Some
one
Shah
where
Rukh
that
Khan, no?
Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan, I think.
Saif Ali Khan, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
we just get
this
points.
level is for 40 points, right?
30,
Yeah,
no?
it is 40. It's 40.
Wow.
Whoa.
That's not fair. I would have gotten one. I could have gotten 30 last time.
Finally, she was.
You could have told me where you wanted to go.
No,
Now you
I
can tell.
didn't know.
Now you can tell.
2.
Wait, isn't Sinchan? Okay, no, it's not skip. Correct. Sorry.
She was just entered. Papa.
I know you.
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah. Sorry. Religion or sports?
Sports.
In the sport that originated in Maharashtra, also called Game of Chase,
Hmm.
how many chasers are seated on the field?
Nani?